If your Start menu and Search are constantly appearing unexpectedly in Windows 11, there are a few effective solutions to get this resolved. First, we can try restarting the File Explorer. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Select Task Manager from the results. Once Task Manager is open, locate the Windows Explorer process, right-click on it, and then choose Restart. If restarting File Explorer does not solve the problem, the next step is to restart the Windows Search service. Again, use the Windows search bar to find services and open it. Scroll down the list until you find the Windows Search service. Right-click on it, and then select Restart. Finally, a more advanced troubleshooting step is to perform a clean boot. This helps identify if a third-party service is causing the conflict. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, you will see a checkbox labeled Hide Microsoft Services. Make sure to check this box. After checking that box, if any other services are still checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply, followed by OK, and finally, restart your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.